guys, this is Collie Calls. Welcome to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Guys, today I'm back again with Izindaba. Izindaba, guys. I'll be reading for you some text messages that people have received. And you're probably wondering, what is today? Sikhuluma ngantoni? Today we're going to talk about people replying on their partners. Bababuza ukuthi, why did you cheat? Guys, nimele nizwe kahle kahle ama-answers, ama-reply abantu abawatholayo. I cannot even believe ukuthi people really justify ukuthi I cheated because of hey ngoba mina or ngoba wena ntontoni. That's why, the audacity, guys, yoku-explain yokuzichaza ukuthi why. But let me not even spoil anything. Let me get into it. I'm gonna read the first text right now. And it goes like, Bambuzile, remember, Ubuziwa, why did you cheat? What reply? And the one reply, what indeed? I cheated because I was lonely. Lonely, John. You were always working or busy, and I was left feeling like I didn't matter. I found someone who made me feel wanted and needed, and I got caught up in it. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. I was feeling neglected, and I looked for attention elsewhere. Guys, umuntu makathi mina I cheated because you were working. But in manje uthi yeka konke vele umsebenzi sihlale sijongane vele. And then bese imali. So it doesn't matter. So mele kwenzakaleni lana, guys. But uthi you made me feel unwanted. Hayibo, but you neglected me because when uvuka ekuseni wahamba wena waye emsebenzini. You guys, this is scary. Iyathusa. And manje uthi mina ngisale ngakhetcha because I looked for attention elsewhere. Nayibona lento yena ukuthi nithi awuthi ngiyoganga ngayo le kancane bese uyakhetcha and then bese kwenzakalani? Sekumele lokuzi explain. Why ungasalanga wayeka vele uqhubeke ngale next door? Let's go into the second one. Uthi, I cheated because I was feeling insecure. You were always so confident and successful, and I felt like I wasn't measuring up. I found someone who made me feel like I was on top of the world, and I got addicted to that feeling. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Yo, guys, this is so sad, yazi. So, manje, guys, this is not the first time I hear something like this. Ukuthi omunye, the partner is doing well, the other one is not doing well. What do you think it is? Is it jealousy or what? Shouldn't we support each other, gugubi or guguhle? I feel like when one partner is succeeding, the other one should support. Also, the other one naye mele angaziphakamisi manje ukuthi hey mina I am better than you. Vele that is so wrong. But I feel ukuthi umuntu wakho noma ubona ukuthi things are not going well for them. If you really love them, I mean, show them ukuthi no man, sisase sonke, sisase right. Don't even feel otherwise. Okay? Or ngiyabet. Okay, let me know what you think. Let me go into the third one. Uthi, I cheated because I was feeling trapped and didn't know how to get out. I felt like I was stuck in this relationship and didn't know how to escape. I panicked and did something stupid, and I'm paying for it now. Hayi lo kumhambelanga kahle. Kumhambelanga kahle nje lo. Because uthi yo ngaze ngayisola nokuthi bengiyaphi. Nokuthi bengenzani ngaze ngayisola. Sengistuck ke manje lapho kuloyo mgodi akusaphumeki. Kodwa ngithi ngiyaxolisa sithandwa sami, ngicela uxolo. I'm sorry my baby. Yey, kwaze kwanzima guys. Manje sithini ke la uyaxolela manje ukuthi makasemgodini kumele wena hambe uyomdonsa. Kube uwe ke manje uyofuna ama-rope waphonse ukuthi umkhiphe manje kulomgodi. Udonse, uyadonsa wena wenza idonsani, uyamnceda. What do you do? Why angavelanga kuyeke? Let's go into the fourth one. Uthi lona, I cheated because I was feeling unlucky in our relationship. I felt like we were just going through the motions and I wanted to feel something real again. I thought it would fix everything, but only made things worse. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Yes, guys, in some relationship, kuvele nje izinto zime. Kungabi ne-progress, kungabi ne-achievement, kungabi na-next. Yonke into kube ngathi ibuyela backwards. You get me? So when you feel like that, ukuthi this relationship, naman, ngathi nibuyisele emuva, I feel like the best thing is to just let go and start over, you know? Or just khokha umoya, uhambe uyenza something else, obonayo ukuthi yazini, uthathe nje i-break emjolweni. Guys, this is sad because manje, ivala namathuba, kwento ezi-right in life, like umsebenzi, imali, i-progress nje, normal ya day to day. You get me? I don't know. Yabona kulena, I don't even know what I feel about it. But if iyakuthatha or you've been in a relationship or feel like ukuthi yazi manginalo muntu ayikho into eyaphambili, just let me know and ungitshela ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi iyenzwa yini leyo nto leyo. Guys, let's go on to the last one, which is the fifth one. Uthi, I cheated because I was weak. Uthi beka weak. Amazi umuntu weak akakwazi nokuhamba. Uthi, I cheated because I was weak. I was feeling stressed and overwhelmed and I gave in to temptation. I'm not proud of it, but it's what happened. I made a mistake and I'm paying for it now. Guys, manje ma uwiki uqhumukele kanjani manje next door? Like, I wanna know, uwiki kuphi? Uwiki ngapha, mara ngale hayi amandla ayavuma. Oh, hi Kuning. Kuningi, guys. If you want me to continue telling you izindaba zabantu, guys, please let me know on the comment section. But for today, bye.